little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where we're about to turn back time and draw something that helps us stay on track, an alarm clock. Are you ready to wake up your creativity? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your pencils because today, we're about to draw the perfect alarm clock. Let's sketch and create a timepiece that will make waking up a breeze. Imagine your favorite alarm clock. Now, let's bring it to life. Start with the dial, the heart of our clock. Now, let's add the round body of the clock around the dial. Make it big and bold. Next, let's add 2 alarm bells on top and a button to stop the alarm. This clock means business. And for a sturdy foundation, let's draw 2 stands at the bottom. Our clock is ready to stand tall. Last but not least, let's add the numbers 1 through 12 around the edge of the round body. Time to tell time! Our drawing is complete, but let's make those outlines bold and sharp to make our clock stand out even more. Now, let's add a burst of color to our timepiece. Are you ready to name some delightful hues? Red color. Green color. Orange color. Indigo color. Pink color. Yellow color. Red color.
Awesome!
Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Purple color. Tada! Our alarm clock is ready to help you start your day on the right foot. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.